Hello, dear friends. Whoa! Welcome back to Physics Corner. In the last video of classical mechanics, we have discussed how to find the generalized force, but when kinetic energy is given to you. Now, we are going to find same generalized force, but when you have given a potential energy. Oh हो, अब देखिए पहला एग्जांपल. ओके, पोटेंशियल V ऑफ Q यानी कि पोटेंशियल इज ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ Q. हाउ मेनी 1 प्लस Q डॉट बाय Q. What is the generalized formula? Write it down first. Therefore, Qj equals to d by dt of dou V by dou Q dot minus of dou V by dou Q. Okay, this is for general coordinate Q, and here is also you have given a Q coordinate. Therefore, use this formula, that is Q of Q. Okay, I use here J because the function will be in the J, but now here the given function is in of a Q. Therefore, d by dt of dou V by dou Q dot minus of dou V by dou Q. Okay, यहाँ पर डो वी बाय डो क्यू डॉट अच्छा लिखना पड़ेगा. डो वी बाय डो क्यू डॉट. ओके, called is at equation number first. Now what you have to find? You have to find first of all dou v by dou q dot. Okay, dou v by dou q dot. Now see. Okay, dou by dou q dot into v is how many? This. Okay, अब देखिए 1 by q plus q dot by q. Okay, I can split up this v like this 1 by q plus q dot by q. Okay, because ऐसे split up इसलिए किया मैंने क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन आपको इजी जाएंगे. अब देखिए you have to differentiate with respect to q dot. Okay, and partially. And for that q dot, q is what? Constant. Derivative of constant 0. Neglect it. Okay, now see here. Here is a presence of a q dot, but 1 by q is for q dot constant. Take it outside. 1 by q is constant. And derivative of q dot with respect to q dot 1. Okay, derivative of x with respect to x 1. That's why derivative of q dot with respect to q dot 1. Okay, that is dou v by dou q dot equals to how many? 1 by q. Okay, now see, again you have to derive with respect to dt of dou v by dou q dot. Therefore, d by dt of dou v by dou q dot equals to d by dt. And how many? Dou v by dou q dot, how many? 1 by q. ओहो, अब देखिए, अब आएगा मजा. अब देखिए 1 बाय क्यू का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू क्या रहेगा? माइनस 1 बाय क्यू स्क्वायर. ओके, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 बाय क्यू विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू क्या रहेगा? माइनस 1 बाय क्यू स्क्वायर. लेकिन वी वांट्स डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 बाय क्यू विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी, तो क्या होगा? देखिए डो डी बाई डी टी ऑफ 1 बाय क्यू क्या रहेगा? माइनस 1 बाय क्यू स्क्वायर सेम रहेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा डो क्यू बाय डो टी. Okay, dq by dt, that means 1 by q square into q dot. Okay, this is the difference between derivative of 1 by q with respect to q and derivative of 1 by q with respect to t. Okay, just you have to adjust this term dq by dt. Now see, you have to derive 1 by q with respect to t. Okay, no problem then. Okay, then how many? 1 by q square into q dot. Okay, this is the d by dt dou v by dou q dot. Okay, equation number 2 you can say. Now see, what do you want? Okay, this portion is okay. Now we want dou v by dou q. Okay, derivative of v with respect to q. And what is v? I have split it here. See, here is a v. 1 by q plus q dot by q. Now see, okay, I can separately. अब देखिए 1 by q का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू q अभी देखा था, माइनस 1 by q स्क्वायर. Now see here q dot is constant. Derivative of 1 by q with respect to q, minus 1 by q square. Okay, this is dou v by dou q. Okay, called is equation number 3. Now keep these all values from equation 2 and 3 in equation 1 to get your generalized force. What is this? D by dt of dou v by dou q dot, how many? Minus q dot by q square. Okay, minus of, how many dou v by dou q? Minus of 1 by q square minus q dot by q square. Just simplified. Therefore q equals to minus of q dot by q square, minus minus plus, that means 1 by q square, minus minus plus, that means q dot by q square. Now see, first and the last term, minus q dot q square plus q dot square get cancelled. What remains? Only this. Therefore q of q equals to 1 by q square. This is your generalized force for given potential. This इतना सिंपल डेरिवेशन था. ओके, ये था हमारा मेन जनरलाइज फार्मूला. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको पहले डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v विथ रिस्पेक्ट q डॉट कर लिया हमने. ठीक, विदाउट नो डॉट वी सॉल्व दैट. ओके, आफ्टर दैट उसका ही हमें t के साथ डिराइव करना था, कर लिया. फिर v का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू q करना था. फिर सब वैल्यूज हमने पुटअप कर दिए और क्या निकाला हमने? जनरलाइज फोर्स ऑफ गिवन potential energy. Now see the next one. Come on boys, come on boys, come on girls. Do you want to see the next question? Yeah. Now see the second one, where they have given potential energy in the form of q. V of q equals to 1 plus q dot square. Okay, no problem. First of all, write your formula of a generalized force. D by dt of dou v by dou q dot minus of dou v by dou q. This is your formula. Okay, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. हम डायरेक्टली भी इस फॉर्मूले में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप पहले ये फाइंड आउट करें, फिर बाद में पुटअप करें. ये जाएगा आपको इजी. देखिए, फर्स्टली हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे ये व्हाट इज डो वी बाय डो क्यू डॉट. ओहो, डो बाय डो क्यू डॉट. व्हाट इज वी? 1 प्लस क्यू डॉट स्क्वायर. या नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ सी, you have to derive partially with respect to q dot, but there is a 1 and 1 is constant derivative infinity, no 0, constant derivative always 0, therefore 0. Now see, q dot square का derivative with respect to q dot, 2q dot. Oh, very good, 2q dot. Okay, now see, okay, therefore dou v by dou q dot equals to how many? 2q dot. Oh, very good. We found dou v by dou q dot. Now you have to derive with respect to 2, that is dou v by dou q dot. Therefore d by dt. What is dou v by dou q dot? 2 times q dot. Okay, now see, 2 is constant, take it outside first of all. Therefore d by dt of, okay, dou q dot is nothing but dou q by dou t. Now see, okay, 2. Now derivative of this with respect to dt, dou q upon dou t square, dou q upon dou t square. That means 2 times q double dot I can write. Oh, this is the d by dt of dou v by dou q dot. Okay, call that equation number 2. Now what you want? You found this one. Now what you want? Dou v by dou q. Okay, simply dou v by dou q. I want a derivative of derivative of a v with respect to q, 1 plus q dot square. But now I want a partial derivative of v with respect to q, but there is no v in q. Then all the terms for this partial q are constant, and constant derivative again 0. That's why dou v by dou q equals to 0. Oh. Now see, you have equation 2 and equation 3. Just keep the values from equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Get the solution. Now see, this is 2q dot, 2q double dot. This is 0. Therefore, q equals to 2q double dot. This is the required generalized force for this given potential. That is V of q equals to 1 plus q dot square. इतना डुमरी सवाल था ये भाई, क्या था इसमें? ये फाइंड करना था, फिर उसको टी के साथ डिराइव करना था. कर लिया भाई हमने, जल्दी से कर लिया. फिर तो v का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू, भाई उसमें तो v q है ही नहीं, तो पार्शियल में क्या हो गया, कांस्टेंट बन गया भाई, उसकी डेरिवेटिव क्या बन गया, 0 बन गया. फिर तो हमने डायरेक्ट डाल दिया फिर वैल्यू. ये आ गया आपका आंसर. ओके, तो देखिए ऐसे सवाल गेट में और आपके स्टेट लेवल के पेपर में जरूर पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ डू यू वांट टू सी द नेक्स्ट वन और नॉट? नो? हाँ, वेरी गुड. देन see the third one. Now, what is the solution for this? Okay, V is given in the form of Q. What is Q dot by Q? Now, what is the formula? First of all, write your formula. Therefore, Q of Q equals to d by dt of dou V upon dou Q dot minus of dou V by dou Q. Equation number first. First of all, we will find dou V by dou Q dot. Okay, dou by dou Q dot. What is V? Q dot by Q. Okay, now see, I am deriving partially. Okay, that's why for Q dot 1 by Q constant. Okay, now see, derivative of Q dot with respect to Q dot 1. Okay, very good. That's why 1 by Q. This is the derivative of V with respect to Q dot, that is partial derivative. Now, okay, you have to derive with respect to dt, to dou V by dou Q dot, dou V by dou Q dot, d by dt. What is dou V by dou Q dot? 1 by Q. Okay, अब देखिए हमने पहले एग्जाम्पल में देखा था, इसका विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू माइनस 1 बाई क्यू स्क्वायर आता है, लेकिन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्यू आता है, टी क्या आता है, माइनस 1 बाई क्यू स्क्वायर इंटू क्यू डॉट. ओके, वेरी गुड. फॉर माइनस 1 बाय क्यू स्क्वायर इंटू क्यू डॉट. ओके, अब बार बार मैं वही नहीं समझाऊंगा, आप समझ जाएंगे. ओके, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Now what do you want next? Dou V by dou Q. That means partial derivative with respect to Q of V. Therefore, dou by dou Q. What is V? Q dot by Q. Now, what is partial derivative of Q? But for Q dot it's constant. Q dot is constant. Now, derivative of 1 by Q with respect to Q, how many? Minus 1 by Q square. Oh, very good, very good. This is equation number 3. Now, keep the values of equation 2 and 3 in equation 1 to get your solution. Therefore, Q of Q. Now see, what is d by dt dou V by dou Q dot? Minus of Q dot by Q square. Okay, now minus. What is dou V by dou Q? Minus of Q dot by Q square. Oh, therefore Q of Q equals to minus Q dot by Q square. Minus minus get plus, therefore Q dot by Q square. Oh, minus plus get cancelled. What is the solution? Oh, you got a 0. Okay, this is the required generalized force for this given potential, and you got 0 generalized force for that given potential. डुमरी भाई इजी ला था. ओके, क्या करना था, बस इसको इसके साथ फिर सब वैल्यूज हमने क्या कर दिया, पुट अप कर दिया. अब देखिए लास्ट सवाल बचा है, वो भी देख लेंगे. लेट अस डिस्कस द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. देखिए solution. Oh, you have given a potential energy in form of Q. What is V of Q? Q dot square plus a 2Q. Okay, what is your formula to find the generalized force? Sir, I know d by dt of dou v by dou q dot minus of dou v by dou q equals to nothing. This is equation 1. Okay, this is your formula. First of all, you have to find dou v by dou q dot. Therefore, dou by dou q dot. What is v? Q dot square plus 2q. Okay, you have to derive partially with respect to q dot, but there is a 2q. For q dot, 2q is constant derivative again 0. Just you have to find the derivative of q dot square with respect to q dot. What is 2 times q dot? Oh, dou v by dou q dot is nothing but 2 times q dot. This is your dou v by dou q dot. Now you have to derive with respect to dt. That dou v by dou q dot you have to derive with respect to dt. What is dou v by dou q dot? 2q dot. Oh, same. 2 is constant, take it outside. Now derivative of q dot with respect to dt. Q double dot. Very good, very good. This is d by dt of dou v by dou q dot. Called is equation 2. Oh, you got d by dt dou v by dou q dot. Now see, what do you want? Dou v by dou q. सेम प्रोसीजर भाई, कुछ नया है नहीं. देखिए डो बाय डो क्यू. What is v? q dot square plus 2 times q. ओके, पार्शियली डिराइविंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू q. तो इसका कोई काम है क्या भाई? नहीं है, पार्शियली है ना, तो ये हो गया कांस्टेंट डेरिवेटिव 0. निग्लेक्ट दैट, दैट्स व्हाई. बट 2 इज कांस्टेंट, टेक इट आउटसाइड. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ q विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू q 1. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x विथ रिस्पेक्ट to x 1. That's like 1. Therefore dou v by dou q is how many? 2. Called is equation 3. Same procedure. Now what do you have to do? You have to put the values from equation 2 and 3 in equation 1 to get your generalized force. What is this? 2 times q double dot. 2 times q double dot minus. What is dou v by dou q? 2. Oh, therefore you can take it constant to outside because it is common. Therefore q double dot minus of 1. This is the your generalized force for this given potential. इतना डुमरी क्वेश्चन था जो कि गेट और सेट में पूछ सकते. ओके, तो देखिए इतना सिंपल था जनरलाइज फोर्स. ओके, तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना and hit the bell icon for more updates, and we will meet you soon in the next video.